Welcome to this Unity quick guide. In this video we will be covering how to create profiles for your contact center. Profiles, also referred to as in-office profiles, are essentially your opening hours, and by creating them, you can easily apply them when building queues and media streams, providing a more streamlined user experience. To view, edit, and create new profiles for your contact center, start from the contact center dashboard and navigate to the profile icon at the top of the screen. Here, you can see a list of all of your contact center's current profiles, with key information such as their assigned schedules, as well as the creation level. However, profiles are created exclusively at a group level. Therefore, after creating a new profile, it will appear as an option in the In-Office Profile drop-down menu when creating a new queue, as well as a new media streams. To create a new profile, click on the Add Profile button to be taken to the In-Office Profile creation page. On this page, you can begin creating your new In-Office profile by first inputting the desired name. In this example, we will be naming the profile Temporary Hours to represent a short-term change in business hours. Next, we can manually input the desired daily schedules for available working hours. As this example is for a temporary schedule, we have opted to input a 4-day working week, with operating hours being between 10 and 3. Not entering anything into the input fields will leave those days without a schedule, and subsequently, they will be considered unavailable days. In the instance that we wish to assign the same 10 till 3 schedule for all days of the week, you can click on the Reply to All button to quickly apply the selected schedule to all fields. Please note, however, this only applies if each daily schedule is the same. If available schedules differ across the week, then the times will need to be manually inputted. Once happy with your new in-office profile, you can click on the button to Add Profile at the bottom of the page. Your new profile should now be available in the list of profiles. This will make it available for use when building and editing queues and media streams. Thank you for watching this Unity quick guide. For more information and contact center tutorials, including how to build media streams and set up routing phases, a full Unity quick guide series is available.